Good morning. In the previous class, I had given one homework. I hope you have solved. Answer was the question was example number 7. Merchant made 15% profit on an article sold for rupees 2300, but he suffered a loss of 5% on another article whose cost price is rupees 1500. Find his net gain or the loss on the two sales together. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು 100 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 2000 rupees. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2000 rupees. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು selling price minus cost price, because profit is there, so selling price is more. Selling price minus cost price, so that is 2300, that is given, minus 200 cost price determined, so that equal to 300 profit, and hence find the net gain and net loss, net gain or loss. So let us go to the next example. Example number 8. Article was sold a gain of on a gain of rupees a gain of rupees 20% if cost price is if cost price and selling price were cost price and selling price were reduced downward reduced decreased by 40 rupees each. Find the original cost price and selling price. The gain would have been 20%. The gain would have been 20% of selling price. Find the original cost price and selling price. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲೂ 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿ 20% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 20% ಲಾಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರು 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ತೆಗೆದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 20% ಲಾಭ ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್: ಲೆಟ್ ದ cost price be x, be equal to x. So ಏನಂತೀಗ, it is given that the article was sold at 20% profit. Article was 20% profit. So profit equal to, we know that profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. It is given that is sold at a 20% gain. Gain means profit. So this equal to, whenever rupees 100, then this is x is the cost price. Then selling price equal to, what is selling price equal to? Selling price equal to profit plus cost price. Cost price is x. Cost price is x plus profit. Profit equal to 20%. So x by 5 alva. X into 20 by 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So this equal to x by 5 ಆಯಿತು ಹೌದಾ? x by 5. 20% means x by 5. This equal to 5 into x, 5x plus x divided by 5. That's equal to 6x divided by 5. This is the profit. This is the profit. Now selling price 6 by 5 is the profit. Sorry, selling price ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Profit is 20%. Sorry, this is actually profit. This is cost price. So this becomes selling price. So selling price is this. The next is, if the cost price is and selling price is reduced by 40 rupees each. Selling price is so 6x, the new selling price equal to 6x divided by 5 minus 40 rupees. Similarly, cost price ಏನಿದೆ x ಇದೆ. Cost price equal to new cost price equal to x minus 40. X minus 48. ಈಗ by transaction the profit would have been 20% of selling price. So 20% of selling price, the new profit equal to, so new profit 20% profit ಆಗಬೇಕಂತೆ. So this is new cost price, 20% of this selling price of what is written here, profit would have been 20% of selling price. This is the selling price, 20% of this is the profit. So 20% of this selling price is 6x divided by 5 minus 40. So this equal to 1 5. This is 1 by 5 into this is 6x minus 4 20 200 divided by 5 into this, that is equal to 6x minus 200 divided by 25. 6x minus sorry, this is the new profit. Yes, right, this is the new profit. Right. Next is, we know that profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So new selling, what is selling price? Selling price equal to, with a profit of this, so selling price minus cost price, so 6x divided by 25. So new profit equal to this. Therefore, what is the new profit is this, 6x divided by 200 divided by 25. This new profit equal to selling price. Selling price is this and cost price is this. Selling price is 6x divided by 5 minus 40 plus x minus 40. Simplification right. This equal to what I can, so 6x minus 5x, this equal to 6x minus 200 divided by 5 minus 200 divided by 5 divided by 5 plus x minus 40. x minus 40 ಐತಲ್ಲ, x minus 40 ಅನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಈಗ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is becomes 5x minus 200 ಆಯ್ತು. So this is 400. If you simplify this, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 6x minus 200 divided by 25 equal to 6x minus 5x. 6x minus 5x. So this, if you take the LCM for this, this is 6x minus 40 into 5 is 200 divided by 5. So again for this you take the LCM for that. So again 5x minus 200. So 11x ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. So this is 6x minus 200 into 5 divided by 25 into 1x. If you simplify this, you get, so 30x minus 1000 equal to 25x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So this implies 25x equal to 25x. So this side is equal to 5x. This is, if you bring 25x here, so 30 minus 25 is 5x. 5x equal to 1000, or x equal to 1000 divided by 5 equal to 200. So it's 200, and cost price equal to 200 ಆಯ್ತು, and selling price equal to 40 rupees more. So selling price equal to 200 plus 40 or 65x 655x ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 6 divided by 5 into x, that is equal to 655 into 200 equal to 240. This is the price. Example number 9. If 5% of the selling price ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದು ಹೀಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is right. Also I can write this as, for this as, ಇದನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಕಡೆ. So this is taken as 6x divided by 25. This equal to 6 by 5 into x minus 40 minus x minus 40. So x minus 40, take it outside. 6 by x 6 by 5 x minus 40 minus x minus 40. So this equal to 6 by x minus 40, ಇದು minus x plus 40 ಆಯ್ತು. So plus 40 minus 40 cancel. So 6 by x minus x ಆಯ್ತು. 6 by 5 x minus x. So this equal to 6x minus 5x equal to x by 5. Six x minus 5x divided by 5 equal to x by 5 ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು this equal to this ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ರಿ, x ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತರ್ರಿ. So you get the answer, that is equal to 30x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 30x minus 1000 equal to 25x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 25x ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ರಿ, 5x ಆಯ್ತು. 5x equal to 1000 ಆಯ್ತು. So if 5%, next is ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ನೀವು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಫ್ 5% ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ equal to 6% of its cost price. If 5% of selling price of an article equal to 6% of its cost price and 8% of its selling price exceeds 9% of cost price by rupees 4.5, at what price the article is brought and sold. Nodi, if 5% of the selling price. So let us take up let solution example number 9. Let cost price equal to x. Let cost price equal to x. So it is given that 5% of the selling price equal to the 6% of the cost price. It is given that selling price of 5% of 5% of selling price equal to 6% of cost price. Cost price ಅನ್ನು x ಆಗಿದೆ. So 6% equal to 6 by 100 x. ಇದು selling price equal to 5% of selling price. 5% of selling price. It is given that 5% of selling price equal to 6% of the cost price. Selling price. So 5% of selling price. 5% of selling price equal to the 6% of cost price. Cost price is have conceived as x. So 6 by 100 into x. So this equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? So selling price this equal to selling price equal to this into this, this into this. So this gives you 6 into 100. So that is equal to 6x by 100. 100 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. 100 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 100 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6 by x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 5p. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ 100 ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ 100 ಇಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗೇನಾಯಿತು 5 ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6x ಆಯಿತು. ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6x by 5. 6x divided by 5. This is the new selling price. Next, it is also given that, so selling price is one kade tagolva, selling price equal to 6x by 5. Now it is also given that 8% of selling price, 8% of selling price, 8% of selling price exceeds 9% of cost price, exceeds 9% of cost price. ಅರ್ಥ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4.5 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತಾಯಿತು. 8% 8 by 100 ಇಂಟು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6x by 5 ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಂತಾಯಿತು. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 9% ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ cost price is x. The cost price is x. So 9% of cost price equal to exceeds by 4.5. Is equal to 4.5. Solve this. So this is 100 ತೆಗಿಬೋದು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ. this equal to ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 25. So 25. So this is 12x divided by 125 minus this is 9x by 100 equal to 4.5. or the LCM, take the LCM of this. 125 and 100, the LCM is 500. 500 means, so 125, 500 divided by 125 means 4. 4 into 12 equal to 48 x minus, sorry, 48 minus, so 500 over 100 is 5. 5 into 9 equal to 45. 45 x equal to 4.5, or 48 minus 48x minus 45x means 3x. 3x equal to 500 into 4.5. So this equal to 5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 2250 2250 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 2250 500 into 4 2000 and half of this 250. Half of 500 is 250. So 2250 equal to 3x, or x equal to 2250 divided by 3 equal to 3 7 21 3 5 15 0. So rupees 750. Yes. Therefore x equal to cost price equal to 750. Next, selling price equal to, also selling price equal to selling price equal to 6x by 5. 6x by 5 equal to 6 into x is 750 divided by 5. This equal to 15 75 150 15 90 900. This is the answer. Next is last question. If a table is sold for 2500, the loss is 25%. At what price it should be sold to earn a profit of 25%? ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, sold for 2500, 2500 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the loss is 25%. So at what price it should be sold to earn profit? 25% ಲಾಭ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಮಾರಬೇಕು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್, ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಈ ಸರಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100. Solution. Example number 10. Example is like this. If a table is sold for 2500, the loss is 25%. At what price it should be sold to earn a profit of 25%? So let the cost price of the table equal to, let solution, let the cost price of table equal to 100. A loss of, it is sold at a loss of 25%. So selling price equal to, therefore selling price equal to, this is the cost price. So cost price is greater ಅಂತಾಯ್ತು, minus 25 equal to 75. 75. So 25, whenever the cost price is 100, so it is a loss of 25% means whenever it is 100, so 25% means loss. So 100 minus 25 is the selling price. Next is, when the table is sold for rupees 2500, the cost price is given by, therefore, so when the table is sold for rupees 2500, the cost price is given by, the cost price is given by the applying rule. So whenever the cost price is selling price is, so selling price is given, so when the table is sold for 2500, ಹೌದಾ, this is a means sold means this is a selling price ಆಯ್ತು. Whenever, see, Therefore, by applying rule of 3, rule of 3, so whenever selling price is 75, whenever selling price is 75, the cost price is 100. Therefore, whenever selling price is this 2500, what is the cost price? Cost price equal to this divided by this multiplied by this. So this equal to 2500 divided by 75 multiplied by 100. So this equal to 25 ಮೂರ್ಲೆ 25 1 100. So 100 10,000 divided by 10,000 divided by 3 equal to 10,000 divided by 3 equal to 333.33. 10,000 and 300 ಅಲ್ಲ 3,333.3. 10,000 is there. So to make the profit 25% on cost price, so selling price would be ಈಗೇನಾಗಬೇಕು ಈಗ to make profit 25% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಈಗ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೀಗ 25% ಲಾಭ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದೀಗ? ಸೊ ವೆನೆವರ್ ದ cost price is whenever cost price is 100, so therefore again applying rule, applying to ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So to make a profit of 20% on the cost price, the selling price of the table is given by applying the rule of 3. We have whenever applying rule of 3, this is whenever the cost price is assumed is 100, to make the 25%, so whenever 25% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ? 100 ಅಂದರೆ 25% ಅಂದರೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು? 125 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್, ವೆನೆವರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ 100, so whenever cost price is 100, selling price is 125, or therefore whenever whenever cost price is 3,333.3, this is ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. whenever the cost price is 3,333, the selling price would be this divided by this multiplied by this. 3,333.33 divided by 100 multiplied by 125. This gives you 4166.66. So this is equal to 4167. This is the answer. So this completes the chapter 4 also. The last chapter is remained, fourth, that is work energy and all. That takes 2-3 periods. I can complete the syllabus. So for that, so before that I will give 2-3 homeworks. Take down. If a machine is sold, ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ, 3 ಇದೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That completes this chapter. Today let us stop here.